Good evening. I am Dr. Vidya, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Computer Science, St.Joseph College of Arts and Science, Cuddalore. Today we are going to see the two new technologies, Big Data and Blockchain. What is Big Data? It is a collection of data that is larger, more complex than traditional data and yet growing exponentially with time. It is so huge that no traditional data management software or tool can manage, store, or can process it efficiently. 5 V's in big data: volume, that is size; veracity, uncertainty; third one is variety, that's its type; fourth one is value. Velocity means speed. Example: volume means huge amount of data. Variety means different format of data from various sources. Value means extract useful data. Velocity, high speed of accumulation of data. And veracity is inconsistencies and uncertainty in data. There are 3 ways of the classifications. One is structured data, unstructured data, and semi-structured data. Types of data: CRM data, transaction data. Big data would contributions to the healthcare. Research data, historic patient data, health tracker, geographical data, and transaction data. That's all. Next we are going to see the blockchain. What is blockchain? The blockchain is used for the secure transfer of item like money, property, contract, etc. without requiring a third party intermediary like a bank or a government. Once the data is recorded inside the blockchain, it is very difficult to change it. Blockchain can be defined as a chain of blocks that contains information. The purpose of blockchain is to solve the double records problem without the need for a central server. For example, A want to send money to B, block of transaction, block broadcast to every party, approved transaction, added to the blockchain. Finally, money moves from A to B. SMTP is a software protocol. Blockchain technology is a structure that stores the transactional record, also known as the block, of the public in the several databases known as the chain in a network connected through peer-to-peer nodes. Typically, this storage is referred to as a digital ledger. Blockchain is a highly secured one, decentralized system and automation capability. However, it could not be run without the internet. It is also called the meta technology as it affects other technologies. It is comprised of several pieces: database, software application, and some connected computers. Blockchain is a combination of 3 leading technologies: cryptographic keys, a peer-to-peer network containing a shared ledger, a means of computing to store the transactions and records of the network. This is the example for the blockchain. Architecture. It is a chain of blocks that contain the data. We are having block 1, block 2, block 3 up to block n. We are having the hash table. Each and every block contains the hash information, that is, contain the address of the next hash. Here, example, block 1 contain the hash value 2ZB1, that is address of the block 2. Previous hash is 0 because initialized 1. Block 2 contain the address of the block 3, that is 7B2Z. Its previous hash is 2ZB1, same as block 3. Suppose hacker wants to change it. It is very difficult to change and we can identify it. Each and every 10 minutes calculation is going on. The case of Bitcoin, it takes almost 10 minutes to calculate the required proof of work to add the new block to the chain. In our example, if a hacker would to change the data in block 2, he would need to perform the proof of work which would take 10 minutes and only then make changes in block 3 and all the succeeding block. How it's work? First step, some person requests a transaction. The transaction could be involved cryptocurrency, contract, records or other information. Step 2, the request to transaction is broadcasted to the P2P network with the help of the nodes. The network nodes validate the transaction. It's very important. The user status with the help of known algorithms. Once the transaction is complete, the new block is then added to the existing blockchain in such a way that is permanent and unalterable. We are having three versions. Blockchain version 1, currency. Version 2, smart contract. Blockchain 3 is DApps. DApp is an abbreviation of decentralized application. In the next class, we will see other examples. Thank you.